But anyways, I had an idea that I really wanted to try to do, so I figured why not record, so you guys can come along for the ride. So I'm just gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna tell you guys what you know what? Yes, I will. Okay, so I'm trying to do acrylic pouring with the intent on actually making a flower bloom somehow. But I'm gonna be using my balloon inflator machine. So yeah. Anyways, and for my base coat, I'm going to be using metallic pearl, and then for my flowers, it's going to be prism red, midnight black, and silver dollar. All right, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so first we are going to pour on the base. And then just slowly get in on the picture. That's all they need to see. Nothing else. Like literally nothing else. Alright, so now I'm going to use my black to put a circle right there. Okay? And then we are going to take my red and put a circle. I thought this was the one. Oh, it is. It's just, oops. I got dots there. There. And then what?
Okay, guys, be there in a few.
Is it still going though?
Yeah.
Okay. There and there. There. Go to your room. Go to your room, Colton. Good night. Good night. All right. And then I think I'm going to take one more and have, I don't know if I want this one though. I think I'm gonna have this one. Yeah, the true red pearl. Okay. All right. And then that's that. And now I'm just gonna blow. But while we do that, we are going to pause. I am not feeling it. But anyways, like, comment, share. You know what? Let's not do that. How about we like and comment on all the things I did wrong and things I could have done better, and please subscribe, because this literally just broke my heart. This literally just broke my heart. I have no idea. I just feel like I wasted my time. And I was already frustrated due to one of my children. Oh my gosh, but when you look deep, I actually really kind of like the colors and stuff. Zoom in, come in. I don't know, guys, because now I think it might dry and I actually might like it. So, I don't know. Let's just see. For right now, we're just going to let it be. And I'm going to give this 24 hours. So, therefore, I won't submit this video until 2 days from now. I'll give this 24 hours and see, because maybe something new will happen. I don't know. But until then, let's just pray. To be continued.